guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sheetal and in today's video I'm going to show you all my top 10 favorite nude lipsticks. So yeah, let's begin. Now let's begin with brown nude lipsticks because I love brown nudes more than the peachy and pinky nudes. So that's why let's begin with brown nudes. And in that, my first favorite lipstick is the Sugar Matte as Hell Lip Crayon, and it is in the shade Brandy Hereditary. So guys, this is the lipstick. I cannot leave my house without taking this lipstick. Like I have to have this lipstick with me. It is very creamy. Stays for around 3 to 4 hours. It is transfer proof, but I don't mind that. And it looks like this. Such a beautiful shade it is. The only problem that I have with this lipstick, it is that it is not retractable. We have to sharpen it every time, but yeah, other than that the shade is very good. Now coming to the second lipstick which I absolutely love, it is the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. It is in the shade Nude Dream. Again, this is one of my most favorite nude lip colors. It is very comfortable on lip. The formula is very thin but gives very nice color payoff on your lips. Does not transfer once it is dried down, and looks very beautiful on your lips and will suit all Indian skin tones. And the shade looks like this. And on lips it looks like this. Now coming on to my third most favorite lipstick, nude lipstick, a brown nude lipstick, and it is by Maybelline. It is their creamy matte range. I just love this range of lipstick by Maybelline because it is very affordable. The shades are really nice. The formula is really nice. So yeah, I love this range. And the most favorite color I have that from that range is this shade Nude Nuance. It is a brownie nude shade. They say it is a matte, creamy matte lipstick, but it is not completely matte. It have little bit sheen to it. Also, the formula is really comfortable on lips. It stays around for like 3 to 4 hours, and it is transfer proof. Other than that, the shade is really good. The formula is really good and very comfortable. And the lipstick looks like this. Now coming on to the next brown nude lipstick that I absolutely love is the Nykaa Matte Mini Lipstick. It is in the shade Madras Kapi. It is one of the most famous shades from Nykaa. I got the mini version of it and I absolutely love it. And this lipstick again stays for like 4 to 5 hours. If you eat anything, it will go, but then it's a really good lipstick. The formula is again comfortable and it is little bit drying some days, but other than that, the lipstick is really good. And it looks like this. The shade looks like this. Coming on to the last lipstick that I have in the brown nudes category, it is again from Maybelline, and this shade is the Clay Crush. It is a very light shade. It may wash out your face sometimes, but if you use a good lip liner with it, it looks absolutely beautiful. And the shade is like this. Very nice, subtle shade, nude shade. And on lips, it looks like. Now coming on to peachy nude lipsticks that I absolutely love. The first one is by Studio West. It is in the shade WN04 and the color looks like this. It's a very extremely comfortable lipstick on lips. I currently have it on my lips. It retails for only 195 rupees. And the shade is really good. The formula is really good. Stays around for 4 to 5 hours on our lips, and once dried down, it doesn't transfer. So it is a still deal lipstick, and yeah, I absolutely love it. And this is how it looks on lips. Now coming on to my next favorite peachy nude lipstick. It is by Maybelline and it is their Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick. And this one is in the shade 225 Delicate. So these lipsticks stays on your lip for a very long period of time. They doesn't smudge, they doesn't transfer once dried down. And the formula is not that comfortable because it is very thick and drying on lips. But if you apply a good layer of lip balm underneath, then you're good to go with this lipstick. And this color looks like this. Very nice subtle peachy nude shade. And this is how it looks on lips. Now coming on to the last peachy nude shade that I have. It is again from Maybelline, the Creamy Matte range. I have a lot of lipstick from them. And this is in the shade Chili Nude. So it is an absolutely peachy, orange-ish peachy shade. Again, the formula is very comfortable, stays for almost about 3 to 4 hours. And the color looks like this. It's a very nice perfect peach shade, and it goes very well with Indian looks. So yeah. Now last but not the least are the pink nude lipstick. I'm not a fan of pink lipsticks, but these are the two lipsticks I go for when I feel like having something pink, applying something pink. And these lipsticks. These lipsticks I have mentioned in my previous video as well. These are my absolute favorite pink lipsticks. And the first one is by Smashbox. It is their Always On Liquid lipstick. And this one is in the shade Gulabe. And the shade looks like this. It is extremely comfortable on lips. The formula is really good, really soft, and stays around for 5 to 6 hours on your lips and looks extremely beautiful. And this will complement all Indian skin colors. So yeah. And the last pink nude lipstick that I love is by MAC. It is their MAC Meher. This is how the lipstick looks like. It doesn't stay for that long on your lips. It will go off if you eat or drink something. But again, the formula is really comfortable, extremely matte. And this is how the lipstick looks. So yeah, that's it guys. These are all my top 10 favorite nude lipsticks. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, give it a like. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.